back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to go to my friend Dave's and use his garage. Well, maybe his garage. Might wind up doing it in his driveway to put in my Flowmaster Scavenger X pipe in the Mustang. Now, it's been a hot minute since this has been out. I just got it out yesterday. It had been covered with snow. So, and it still needs a bath. I haven't got a chance to do that. I just took it up and got it serviced. That way it was ready to go for the beginning of the season. So, we're going to get a cold start of it right now. That way we can kind of compare after I put the X pipe on. Doesn't sound too bad, but we're gonna load this up and we're gonna go put that in and see how it comes out. Okay, we're under the car. I got the exhaust pipes marked. I got to cut them. I gotta support them. So whenever you're working on a car, make sure you put it on jack stands. I'll check right back in with you. Okay, this is what it looked like after we got all said and done. You reused the factory clamps up on the front, up there, from the factory resonator. And then they give you the new clamps back here, which them ones, to do the back here, I wound up dropping the exhaust from the brackets all the way back. The axle backs and everything had to come out because it was just easier, and then bolt it back up and there you go. So doesn't sound too bad. If you guys like the channel, please subscribe,